Customer 1. Why did he dash you? Option A, insult. Option B, insulted. Option C, insults. Option D, insulting. Correct option is option A, insult. Customer 2. It dash raining since Tuesday. Option A, have been. Option B, is. Option C, has been. Option D, was. Correct answer is option C, has been. Question number 3. They said that they dash their duty. Option A, are doing. Option B, will have done. Option C, have done. Option D, had done. Correct answer is option D, had done. Question 4. They dash left Pakistan before the end of the year. Option A, will have. Option B, have been. Option C, had been. Option D, have. Correct answer is option A, will have. Question 5. The baby dash for milk now. Option A, cry. Option B is crying. Option C, cries. Option D, cried. Correct answer is option B, is crying. Question number 6. Choose a word with correct spellings. Option A, DESTITUTE. Option B, DESTETUTE. Option C, DISTITATE. Option D, DESTITUT. Correct answer is option A, DESTITUTE. Destitute. Question number 7. Choose a word with correct spellings. Option A, RESUM. Option B, RESUME. Option C, REZUME. Option D, REZUM. Correct answer is option B, resume. RESUME. Question number 8. Choose a word with correct spellings. Option A, LUXARY. Option B, LAXERY. Option C, LUXURY. Option D, LAXURY. Correct answer is option C, LUXURY, luxury. Question number 9. Choose a word with correct spellings. Option A, ENSTENT. Option B, ENSTANT. Option C, INSTENT. Option D, INSTANT. Correct answer is option D, INSTANT. Question number 10. The synonym of beaming is option A, growing. Option B, fading. Option C, dimming. Option D, glowing. Correct answer is option D, glowing. Question number 10. The antonym of massive is option A, heavy. Option B, bright. Option C, light. Option D, weighty. Correct answer is option C, light. Question number 12. The synonym of unprecedented is option A, matchless. Option B, trackless. Option C, pitiless. Option D, thankless. Correct answer is option A, matchless. Question number 13. The antonym of prior is option A, before. Option B, later. Option C, former. Option D, first. Correct answer is option B, later. Question number 14. Proficient means option A, sufficient. Option B, insufficient. Option C, skillful. Option D, unskilled. Correct answer is option C, skillful. Question number 15. A holiday is celebrated with big family gatherings. The underlined word is option A, abstract noun. Option B, concrete noun. Option C, collective noun. Option D, common noun. Correct answer is option A, abstract noun. Question number 16. Have you got anything which these poor women could take for their children? The underlined word is option A, interrogative pronoun, option B, relative pronoun, option C, demonstrative pronoun, option D, reflexive pronoun. Correct answer is option B, relative pronoun. Question 17. The tops of the mountains were covered with snow. The underlined part is option A, noun phrase, option B, adverb phrase, option C, adjective phrase, option D, gerund phrase. Correct answer is option A, noun phrase. Question number 18. As soon as I saw the cobra, I ran away. The underlined part is option A, noun clause, option B, independent clause, option C, adjective clause, option D, adverb clause. Correct answer is option D, adverb clause. Question number 19. I need motivation to become successful. The underlined part is option A, adjective, option B, infinitive, option C, current, option D, adverb. Correct answer is option B, infinitive.